Hi, this is Cindy Presgraves. I'm with Cindy's Realty Group by Virtual Properties Realty, and I'm going to show you these beautiful houses in Park Walk at Lanier. And some of these have 3-car garages and some of them they don't, but they're beautiful. So I'm going to give you a tour so you guys can take a look at it. So take a look at this community. It's a beautiful community. They're still developing, and some of them, I don't know if you see that one over there, it does have a 3-car garage. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They have a move-in package right now going on, which is amazing. And I'm gonna go show you the inside. So this house has a 2-car garage. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Beautiful house on the outside. It has brick and siding, which is really, really nice. I really, really enjoy this house and I really love it. They do have right now covering $7,500 in closing costs. They're including a refrigerator, a Ring doorbell, Google Nest Hub or Amazon, and a wireless garage keypad. So let's look what the inside tells us. All right, walking in through the door, we're gonna see the house. It's gonna have a formal dining room on the left side. Yes, keep in mind this still it's been completed, but it needs a little bit of tweaks. Then we can have this as a sitting room, as an office, as anything you want to for entertainment as well. Now we're gonna walk into the bathroom. Could be a guest bathroom, most likely guest bathroom. And then walking into the bathroom, you can actually have easy access to the next bedroom. There's a 1 bedroom here, 1 bedroom downstairs, and then from the downstairs, you actually see the kitchen, the living room, which is very spacious, really big. I will do another video, looking at another video of the model home. So take a look at this. It does have a fan, granite countertops, has a gas stove, and it will also, keep in mind, it's including the refrigerator, so it has a move-in package too. And here we have the walk-in pantry. Gas stove, a lot of people love gas stove. Has granite countertops, and look at that sink. Beautiful sink. All right, so now I am going to show you the upstairs. So from the garage, you also have the easy access to the garage. So this is awesome, especially when you don't want to carry groceries. Believe me, I don't. All right, so then coming from the kitchen, I go see the formal dining room. So you do have access to that. And then look at that. Look at that detail. Look at that beautiful detail on the ceiling. All right, so now I'm going upstairs. Look at that railing. Detail, detail, detail. I love detail. So now upstairs, I'm gonna go walking. All right. So then you have a bedroom on your right side. And it has a closet. Beautiful, very spacious. I really love the tower. I call it the Princess Tower. And I know I shouldn't be calling it the Princess Tower, but it reminds me of Rapunzel and Disney movies. So yes, I am into Disney movies. And then I love this bedroom too. You can fit here a queen, twin, or full bedroom, even a bed with a trundle. Now, this is one of the things that made me fall in love with this house is this section here. So here you can actually have like a family time, family room, get-togethers, and you'll see that on the next video I'll be posting about this family, about this loft. I love this area. And now we're walking into the master bedroom. Easily, you can fit here a king bed. Very, very spacious and roomy. Has a fan. Not all new houses come with fans, just letting you know. All right, we're walking into the master bedroom bath. His and hers walk-in closet. Keep in mind that sometimes if you want to go ahead and Shelving, that's not an issue. I would say if you don't like it, you can always make room for it. And there's companies that do that as well. So here we have a toilet. And here we have a shower. So we have a shower and we have a soaking tub. So I love this. I really, really enjoy this. I really love this style. It makes it very, really unique, especially you have your privacy, especially when you have kids. Then you're walking into the laundry room. Pretty spacious, lots of room. And then here we are walking into the 5th bedroom. So pretty roomy. You can actually fit here, probably fit a king here. But I would say more likely queen would be more comfy. You'll have much room. But my favorite section here from the house is this loft, because it could be family time and, you know, family time, family get-togethers, so forth. And just, I love this area. So it also has, see this. Okay, so now I'm gonna walk down. So if you have any questions, any concerns, please let me know. This is Cindy Presgraves with Cindy's Realty Group at Park Walk Lanier here in Flowery Branch. And I hope to hear back from you soon.